Hello, I am Erica, a professional cleaner affiliated with Amenify. Today, I would like to share how my life has been transformed since I partnered with Amenify. Before I joined Amenify, I struggled with managing my client schedule and the logistical aspects of my work, making it challenging to expand my business. However, since becoming part of Amenify, I gained access to a pre-existing customer base, and Amenify now handles all scheduling, payments, and customers' interaction on my behalf. This has allowed me to concentrate on what I excel to, delivering exceptional cleaning services. Furthermore, Amenify's transparent payment system ensures that I receive fair and punctual compensation. Moreover, customers who utilize Amenify have high expectations for quality and professionalism, enhancing the experience for both parties involved. As a result of this partnership, my quality of life has seen a significant improvement, and I'll be achieved a more harmonious work-life balance. All thanks to Amenify.